Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to download CV in Eurpass CV. And for this we go to create your free Eurpass profile, then we click on create your CV, and then right here we click on create new CV, and then we do use the standard CV builder. Right here we can fill in all the information that we need. So let's say the date formats. Now what do we like? Let's say for example this. And then we fill in our personal information. So my name, second name, then all the information that they need from us, like social media, phone number, email address, whatever. And then right now we can do save. And then after this, we can do add new section. And then you can add literally everything that you want in your CV. So make sure that you create some time for this, fill in everything correct. And then after this, you can click on next. And then you can select your template. So let's say I want this template. I want the color purple. And I want, we can also add a Eurpass logo. So show people that our CV is Europe based. So let's say, for example, we say every page. And then we can also add page number if you want to. So now it looks like a nice European CV. Then we do next again. Then we can give this file a name. So let's say CV 2526. And then right now we can click right here on download. And then he will download our CV. And right here you have your CV as a PDF. So this is exactly how easy it is. Hopefully this was the video I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.